Well, good morning. You know, we spent a lot of time here talking about the engine and the temperatures that it's running at and whatnot. And of course, that's key to us, is being able to take that heat power and turn it into a rotary motion. But it's really a half of the equation. The other half of the equation is taking that rotary motion and turning it into electricity. And we want to just show you the simple way that we do that with the Melvin. Here we have a very simple generator. It's a permanent magnet generator, and the way this works is as it's spun, there are some magnets inside that travel around some copper coils, and in doing so it generates electricity out this end. This is what we have inside the kinematics housing of the Melvin. And for our lower powered settings, under 1600 kilowatts, it'll work just fine. And we can change the speed of this to change the voltage of the system based on a simple pulley size on this end. It won't change the power, but it'll change the voltage. If I go ahead and look at the engine, I can see that that little generator sitting right in here in the kinematics housing and hooked up to the main axle right here. Now, outside of the engine, you can see that pigtail coming from the generator. That goes right to a simple bridge rectifier, turns it into DC power. And that DC power is just fine for taking it to charging your battery bank, if that's what you want to use it for. Or if you want AC out, as we have the setup here, you just take it to a simple inverter. And you can see the DC goes in the back. And then out the front is typical AC panel. And here we just got a little voltmeter on the output of the engine, and you can see here it's about 15 volts, 16 volts, and then we're going to go ahead and hit that power switch on the inverter, and it's going to take it back down to about 13, 12 volts or so, something like that. And here you can see a simple schematic of how the engine might work in a house or a cottage or some system like that, where you're looking for it to basically support the battery bank you have there. And the battery bank then is tied to the inverter, giving you your AC power for your home circuits, or going out to the main electrical grid to dump out some grid power. Well, that gives you a quick overview as to how the electricity is actually generated from the rotary motion of the Melvin. Just an introduction. We'll be coming out with some more videos and explanation of the actual power levels that the Melvin is producing. And look forward to speaking to you more at that time. Thanks for watching.